to design the interface.
Yes, me too. I'm so confused with the code now. I can't read the process of the web.
It's too hard to modify the database too, cause it will have a bad effect to the web process. I think it's your fault, Mai.
Why you said I'm on security, you also write an ugly interface for into the web?
Your fault.
Your fault.
Not me, but you.
Your fault.
Your fault.
Hey guys, what's wrong?
We have a problem. We can't clear our work code or the code we wrote is too much right and it makes us confused to define this code.
If you solve this problem, we probably present MVC. Model View Controller is a software pattern for implementing user interface. It divides a given software application into 3 interconnected parts, so as to separate internal representation of information from the way that information is presented to or accepted from the user. The central component, the model, consists of application data, business rules, logic, and function. A view can be any output representation of information. The third part, the controller, accepts input and convert it to command for the model or view.
For the architecture of MVC, there are 3 components which are view, model, and controller.
When user enter the MVC web page via web browser, the web browser will communicate to the controller. The controller will deal with the codes that make the decision based on its actions. And then, if we need to interact with the database or deal with the data, we need the controller to talk to the model, which all of the code relating to the data and will connect to the database in the model. And the model will return back to the controller. From this point, controller can go back to the model, and model can go back to the database, and so on. Finally, when controller is ready to return the result back to the web browser, it's going to send the result to wheel, which will deal with the HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and something like this, and will return back to the web browser.
Benefits of MVC, which are:
First, separation of concerns. The separation the 3 components allow the reuse of the business logic across applications. Second, developer specialization and focus. The developer of UI can focus exclusively on the UI skills without bogged down with business logic. The developer of model business can focus exclusively on the business logic implementation, modification, updation without concerning the look and feel, and it has nothing to do with business logic.